What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I'm Hadi Ami, and in this video, I'll be talking about 2 online transcription jobs to earn money from home. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. There are various ways you can make money online by typing, but in this video, we are going to focus on the transcription aspect of the online typing jobs. The first transcription website we'll be talking about is Attesto. Attesto is the most powerful platform to improve speech recognition accuracy, fairness and language support through customized voice data collected in hours and not months. Attesto is another one of those voice AI training websites. You know, artificial intelligence companies and scientists around the world are requesting audio transcription or voice collected to train their speech-to-text system. Then Attesto converts companies' needs into short tasks for you. It is a very quick and hassle-free process. Just go to their Tasker page and click on Become a Tasker. You'll be presented with a form asking your name, your username, email address, and password. After you are done filling the form, submit it, and verification email will send to your email address to verify. After signing up, go to your dashboard and select a project from your dashboard. Read the instructions and you are ready to go. After completing the task, Attesto system will review your task, and if your tasks are accepted, you will get your money in your PayPal account. You can earn between $5 to $30 per month depending on the tasks available to you. It can increase if there are more tasks available in the future. The second site we're talking about is the AudioBee. The AudioBee is another data collection and localizing service platform. It accepts people from all over the world, and they provide freelancer opportunities in 3 types of works: translation, transcription, and voice recording. Audio transcription transcribes speech into text for a wide range of industries. Voice recording record phrases in various languages to train speech text. Translation translates source language into multiple other languages. Signing up on AudioBee is quick and easy, but starting work might take you a day or 2. This is because they need to manually check your test and approve your work. Go to their sign up page and fill in your details. Don't worry about your native language and job types. You can change and add them later through your profile. Now you'll be required to give a small test depending upon the job type you selected. For example, I selected the audio transcription, so I needed to transcribe audio as part of the test. Then submit the transcription. They will take 24 to 72 hours to review your submission. After they approve your submission, you will receive a mail from them asking you to sign an NDA. Log into your AudioBee account and sign the NDA. You will be able to see additional options on your dashboard such as jobs, complete tasks, go to jobs, see the tasks available for you. The rest of the guidelines will be provided in the job description itself. They process payment via PayPal and Payoneer, with additional option of bank transfer for some countries. You can earn $24 to $120 per audio hour transcript. Refer friends to earn up to $70 more on each who complete a certain number of tasks. You can start working with this transcription site and earn money from home. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.